Okay, welcome to part two. So just doing some caulking here around the toilet and the shower. So doing a little extra here since it seemed like there was a leak before, which caused a little bit of mildew. So hoping to make sure that this is pretty waterproof by the time I'm done. And there was some areas in the floor where there was a little bit of space in the tile, so I just wanted to make sure I sealed that up. So kind of using the caulk, kind of like some grout in this scenario. So again, there's a few spots in the tiles where I had a little bit of spacing, and I just wanted to make it look a little nicer, even though these tiles are going to be under the vanities. So basically just trying to make sure that the line looks nice and even, and then fill it in with some caulk. Again, kind of like a grouting type procedure here. Just trying to make sure that it looks nice if they do remove the vanities at some point. So as you can see, I'm going pretty crazy with the caulking here. I just wanted to make sure that it's pretty waterproof around the shower and the toilet, and I just don't have to worry about it. So yeah, I'll be honest, if you look closely, you can see that I left the towel in the drain pipe, which I used to stop the gases from coming up. So yeah, everything looked good until I went to flush the toilet and overflowed everywhere because there was a towel clogged in the drain pipe. So eventually realized that and had to do this all over again. But once I removed that towel, we were all good to go. So lesson learned. So getting a little creative here because I do not have the tools, or should I say the proper tools. So using a drill to make a hole, and then using this little handsaw to basically carve out a hole for the pipes, basically the water lines coming up out of the floor. So yeah, this didn't turn out too nice, I'll be honest. I wish I would have invested in some better tools. I will definitely do that next time. The nice thing is that there is a shelf that basically will hide this kind of ugly hole that I created for both these vanities. So yeah, I think that will be one of the things I'm not happy with about this project. Would just be I could have made some nicer holes for those pipes. So yeah, I'll have to invest in some better tools for next time. So yeah, this is where we're at with the bathroom so far. So updated the light fixtures, new switches, as in the video, put up the towel racks. Got this nice little cabinet off Amazon. I was really shocked that I was able to find something to fit within these two vanities. So that ended up being perfect. Floor is all done. So trim is installed and looks good. Everything's sealed up. Still have to kind of clean this up a little bit around the shower. So yeah, looks like we'll be doing a part 3. So again, we'll finish up the tub with the glazing kit that I have. So we'll be finishing up those tiles there, painting them white, glazing the tub, glazing the shower. Not for sure how that's gonna turn out. And then we'll be again painting the doors and the rest of the trim. But yeah, so far I'm happy with the floor and the paint and the money that we've spent so far. Hopefully the third video of glazing the tub and the shower and finishing up the trim turns out nice. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.